Louisiana is a state of unique beauty. From its vibrant cities to its peaceful countryside, Louisiana offers something for everyone. But it is the state's natural wonders that truly captivate the soul. Louisiana's landscapes are diverse and full of life. They invite exploration and wonder. Louisiana's beauty lies in its contrasts. The state is a tapestry woven from wetlands and forests, rivers and bayous. The air is alive with the sounds of nature. Birds sing, insects hum. The waters teem with creatures, both large and small. This is a place where one can truly connect with the natural world. Central to Louisiana's natural identity are its wetlands. Swamps and bayous cover much of the state. These unique ecosystems are teeming with life. They are essential to the health of the entire region. Swamps, with their still waters and towering cypress trees, evoke a sense of mystery and tranquility. Bayous, often described as the arteries of Louisiana, wind through the landscape. They connect the swamps and marshes to the larger rivers and the sea. The slow-moving, murky waters of the bayous may seem impenetrable at first glance, but beneath the surface lies a world of incredible biodiversity. The plant life in Louisiana's wetlands is as diverse as it is resilient. These wetlands are a unique ecosystem, teeming with a variety of flora that have adapted to thrive in the challenging conditions of the swampy terrain. Towering cypress trees, their roots anchored in the water, dominate the swamps. These majestic trees can live for hundreds of years, their roots forming intricate networks that stabilize the swamp floor and provide habitat for countless species. Their bark, often draped with Spanish moss, creates a haunting beauty. The Spanish moss, with its silvery strands, adds an ethereal quality to the landscape, swaying gently in the breeze. The Spanish moss itself is not a parasite, but an air plant. It absorbs nutrients and moisture from the air, rain and debris that collects on its leaves, making it a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. It thrives in the humid air of the swamps, drawing its sustenance from the air and rain. This unique adaptation allows it to flourish in an environment where other plants might struggle. Beneath the cypress trees, a variety of aquatic plants thrive. These plants play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for fish, amphibians, and other aquatic creatures. Water lilies, with their broad leaves and delicate flowers, provide shade for fish and other creatures. Their presence helps to regulate the water temperature and offers a safe haven for young fish and insects. Cattails, their brown cigar-shaped heads standing tall above the waterline, offer shelter for birds and insects. These hardy plants are a vital part of the wetland ecosystem, filtering water and providing nesting sites for various species. And along the edges of the swamps and bayous, vibrant wildflowers add splashes of color to the landscape. These wildflowers not only enhance the beauty of the wetlands but also attract pollinators, contributing to the health and diversity of the ecosystem. Louisiana's wetlands are a haven for wildlife. These vast, waterlogged areas are teeming with life, providing a unique and rich habitat for a diverse array of species. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every creature plays a vital role in this intricate ecosystem. The American alligator, often seen as the apex predator of this ecosystem, plays a crucial role in maintaining balance. These formidable reptiles are not just hunters, they are also ecosystem engineers, creating habitats for other species by digging holes that hold water during dry periods. These ancient reptiles, their bodies perfectly adapted to life in the water, are a testament to the power and resilience of nature. With their armored bodies and powerful jaws, they have survived for millions of years, evolving to become one of the most efficient predators in the wetlands. But they are not the only inhabitants of this watery world. The wetlands are home to a myriad of other creatures, each contributing to the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Wading birds such as herons, egrets, and ibis stalk their prey in the shallows. These elegant birds are expert hunters, using their keen eyesight and quick reflexes to catch fish, frogs, and other small animals. Their long legs and beaks allow them to navigate the muddy bottom with ease. They move gracefully through the water, their movements almost hypnotic as they search for food. Turtles, both aquatic and terrestrial, bask on logs or slip silently beneath the surface. These ancient creatures are a common sight in the wetlands, their slow, deliberate movements a stark contrast to the bustling activity around them. Fish, from tiny minnows to large catfish, dart through the water, their scales flashing in the sunlight. These fish are a crucial part of the food web, providing sustenance for a variety of predators including birds, alligators, and even other fish. Beyond the wetlands, Louisiana is home to a variety of forest ecosystems. Pine forests, dominated by towering longleaf pines, cover much of the upland areas. These forests, once covering vast stretches of the southeastern United States, are now considered an endangered ecosystem. But in Louisiana, efforts are underway to restore and protect these vital habitats. The hardwood forests of Louisiana are characterized by a mix of oak, hickory, and other deciduous trees. These forests provide habitat for a wide range of animals, including white-tailed deer, wild turkeys, and a variety of songbirds. Black bears, once common throughout the state, are making a comeback in some areas thanks to conservation efforts. Louisiana's ecosystems play a vital role in the health of the entire planet. These diverse landscapes, from the sprawling wetlands to the dense forests, are crucial in maintaining environmental stability. The wetlands act as natural filters, purifying water and absorbing pollutants. They trap sediments and break down harmful substances, ensuring cleaner water flows into rivers and oceans. They also serve as a buffer against storms, protecting inland areas from the full force of hurricanes. By absorbing storm surges and reducing wave energy, these wetlands minimize flooding and erosion. The forests of Louisiana help to regulate the climate, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing oxygen. These forests act as carbon sinks, mitigating the effects of climate change. The biodiversity found in Louisiana is not only beautiful, but it is also essential for maintaining the balance of nature. The variety of species ensures ecosystem resilience and productivity. Each species, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a role in the intricate web of life. Pollinators, decomposers, and predators all contribute to a healthy ecosystem. The loss of even a single species can have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. Protecting these habitats is crucial for the survival of countless species and the overall health of our planet. Despite their importance, Louisiana's natural treasures are facing a multitude of threats. Habitat loss due to development, agriculture, and sea level rise is one of the most pressing issues. As wetlands disappear, so too do the countless species that depend on them for survival. Pollution from industrial activities, agricultural runoff, and coastal erosion is also taking a toll on the state's fragile ecosystems. Climate change is exacerbating many of these problems. Rising sea levels are inundating coastal wetlands, while more frequent and intense storms are causing widespread damage. The delicate balance of Louisiana's ecosystems is being disrupted, and the consequences are far-reaching. The future of Louisiana's natural beauty depends on our actions today. We must become stewards of these precious resources, working to protect them for future generations. Conservation efforts, both large and small, are crucial. Supporting organizations dedicated to wetland restoration, advocating for responsible land management practices, and reducing our own environmental footprint are all important steps we can take. Education is also key. By learning about the importance of Louisiana's natural heritage and the threats it faces, we can become more informed and engaged citizens. We can teach our children to appreciate and respect the natural world, instilling in them a sense of responsibility for its care. The beauty and biodiversity of Louisiana's natural landscapes are a gift. It is our duty to cherish and protect this irreplaceable heritage. By working together, we can ensure that the swamps and bayous, the forests and rivers, and all the creatures that call them home, will continue to thrive for generations to come. Let us be inspired by the resilience of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Let us act now to preserve Louisiana's natural legacy, so that future generations may experience the same wonder and awe that we feel today.